for everybody, but for me, it's the best decision I've ever made.
May bagong album na naman si songbird Regine Velasquez. Ang huling regalo niya para sa kanyang mga fans ngayong 2010.
Wow, why did you call it Fantasy?
It's a song called Fantasy also eh. And wala lang, parang I thought it was a nice title.
This double CD, no?
Double CD siya,
Some revivals,
some
no?
originals, yeah.
At may...
Ang nasabing album ay naglalaman ng mga photos na ayon sa ilan ay bordering on daring.
So hindi naman kayo little quarrel doon over the pictures?
About it, no. Ay, kasi alam naman niya that okay naman yan kasi naiintindihan naman niya. He won't necessarily like it, pero he won't fight me naman about it.
Okay,
I'm very excited about this album kasi nga gumawa kami ng isang CD na devoted lang para sa mga OPM songs.
Of course, si Ogie wrote some of the songs, no? Doon sa mga nasa album na sinulat ni Ogie, anong favorite mo? Yung talagang sa the song closest to your heart?
Walang iba. Kasi yun yung theme ng...
Meaningful, ano?
Theme ng Diva yun. Pero he also wrote the single, which is You Don't Know.
Sa revivals naman, anong favorite mo?
Kung masabi kung alin yung favorite ko, but I like all the revival songs kasi ako din naman yung pumili nun eh. So.
Fantasy is the Songbird's last album as Miss Regine Velasquez. Isa na nga lang daw ang unfulfilled fantasy na future Mrs. Alcacid.
So far, I was able naman to do everything, I guess, except for being pregnant. Actually, tama-tama lang din yung pagsisettle down ko kasi parang nagawa ko na rin lahat ng gusto ko. So, wala nang iba. Siguro maging mommy na lang.
Kahapon, Biyernes, muling pumirma ng exclusive contract with GMA Network si Regine. Saksi sina GMA Chairman and CEO Attorney Felipe L. Gozon at GMA President and COO Mr. Gilberto Duave.
Hindi ko na mainisip na hindi sa atin si Regine eh. Never. Lalo na ngayon, kakasal.
Ninong.
O Ninong. So how can we not have Regine?
Excited na rin po kayo sa
kasal.
wedding. Excited na rin. Ayos na ba?
Mas excited ako kaysa kay Ogie.
She is with us and will be with us for years to come. And well, personally, I'd like to thank Regine for the loyalty and well, the artistry. Isa ako sa tagahanga niya. So
Yung contract ko is I think for 2-3 years. Parang ganyan. And then so after nitong soap na to, I have I think 2 or 3 more. So I'm really very thankful that GMA signed me up again.
Ukol naman sa nalalapit niyang kasal, kinumpirma ni Regine ang partisipasyon ng ex-wife ni Ogie na si Michelle Van Imeren even after the wedding.
Because we're going to Bohol kasi it's the whole family kasi it's after Christmas we're all going there and sila Michelle are coming. And nung last time nandito sila, hindi naman namin sila naipasyal. Eh, di ba, yung asawa kasi ni Michelle, si Mark, hindi namin siya naiikot ng Philippines. Hindi naman talaga yun yung aming honeymoon. It's just like a vacation after the wedding. So we're bringing everybody, the whole family. It works for us. It's very healthy for the 2 girls. Sabi nga ni Michelle, I'm like their second mom. So it's good. Siyempre, pag nagka-baby kami, medyo merong ibang pero I'm sure it'll be okay with them. Nanghihingi na ng kapatid ng kakatawan.
Finally, gusto ko kami sa sana gusto mo baby boy will be
Boy. Gusto ko boy. Kasi gusto kami magdala ng pangalan niya. Kasi may 2 girls na rin sila. At ang gusto nila boy.
Usap na kayo ni Ogie.
Yeah, pero yun din ang gusto niya. Pero syempre kung ano niya ibibigay sa amin, hindi mo naman mapipilit.
Junior.
Oo, malamang. Malamang. 4 na sila. Lumalakad sa mundong Herminio.
Samantala, may nais linawin si Regine sa kanyang mga nasabi sa isang recent interview ukol sa pagsasama nila sa iisang bubong ni Ogie. Kung matatandaan, umamin ng Songbird na may 3 taon na silang nagsasama.
Oo, kasi 3 years na rin yun eh. 3 years na rin yun. I wanted it that way. Like, again, I hope you don't cut this. Kasi parang may mga nagre-react. It's not for everybody, but for me, it's the best decision I've ever made. First of all, before we lived together, we were engaged first. So sigurado na talaga ako. Sigurado na kaming dalawa. The reason why I'm saying it's the best decision, it's because hindi ko kailangan magmadali na ngayon na pagkasal na o baby na agad. Di pwedeng, alam mo yun, di pwede na ako mag-baby nga kaagad kasi nagkaroon na kaming 3 years ng adjustments na makita ko kung sino talaga siya. Kasi hindi mo naman makikilala yung isang tao until you actually live with that person. So I never even thought na I'd be doing it kasi nga medyo conservative yung family ko. And so am I actually. I'm very conservative. But living together has taught me a lot of things. I suddenly now know how to cook, and I have this I have this instinct na I want to take care of him. At tapos yung mga expectations niya medyo hindi na rin masyadong mataas. Nilang kilala niya na rin ako kasi baka akala niya yung tingin niya sa akin ni Diyos ang Diyos. Kasi alam niya na itsura ko pag nagising ako. Kasi pag yung date lang parati ka maganda eh.
Alala mo pa ba yung buwan ng Mayo, no? Bumisita sa atin dito. Siyempre, kaibigan natin si Pilar Mateo pa. Gaganda pa ang Pilar Mateo.
Kumusta na kaya siya?